Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
MasterClass is an immersive online experience, which gives everyone the opportunity to learn from the world's best practitioners. Every class was created by the instructor and includes extensive pre-recorded video content, a class workbook, interactive assignments, and community activities.
Take our lead.
So it was the perfect time to think ahead for a gift idea for that special someone, or you two can just split the savings. Speaking of promos, MasterClass never offers coupon codes or promo discounts, especially from other sites, and we do not offer any either. Ever.
Let's help you make your mark.
As of this writing, there are 114 courses, with a few more due out soon. Previously, MasterClass offered a monthly subscription and also sold access to any single class for a one-time fee, but it no longer does. There isn't a free trial, either.
Take our lead.
For $180 per year, consumers have access to all classes. Instructors receive a one-time payment and a revenue cut. In 2017, a source reported MasterClass teachers get at least $100,000 per course plus a 30% revenue cut. In 2018, Bloomberg wrote instructors get a guaranteed sum, plus up to a 25% cut.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can I put MasterClass on my resume? You can put MasterClass on your resume, but you may want to use your best judgment when deciding where or not it makes sense to. For example, it only makes sense to put MasterClass on your resume if you took an actual class. MasterClass also does not offer certificates of completion.
Let's help you make your mark.
MasterClass is also not for someone who is hoping to use these classes to replace college-level courses. These aren't accredited courses and shouldn't be confused with them. Additionally, MasterClass isn't great for people trying to learn hard skills or professional skills.
Make your mark, take our lead.
MasterClass offers only one plan type, an all-access pass that costs $180 per year. Previously, MasterClass offered a monthly subscription and also sold access to any single class for a one-time fee, but it no longer does. There isn't a free trial, either.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.